morning guys, welcome to today's vlog. Hi. Welcome to today's vlog. Today is Monday. It is August 2nd. Today is a beach day. We're going to the beach with some friends. I'm about to get myself ready and oh, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. Good official morning, guys. I was so tired earlier when I said good morning, but I'm just in the process of getting ready. We're going to the beach today, so we're not leaving for a while. We don't have to leave for like another hour and a half, over an hour and a half before we have to leave. Iced coffee. Mom bod. 5 months postpartum. So this is the bathing suit I got this year. I got it off of Etsy. It's completely custom made. This top can be used as a yoga nursing bra, swimsuit top, a water birth top, a ton of different things, and I love it so much I actually ordered another one. But all custom made. I love it. I wear this top like every day as like my actual bra. But this is what I'm wearing to the beach. I'm gonna throw some shorts on. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing. I love this bathing suit, guys. So yeah. Just pulled up to the beach. It's been a crazy morning. Kids didn't want to get ready. Honestly, we didn't want to leave the house. But we made it to the beach. I'm trying to get over my anxiety about going out and take the kids out to do stuff at least a couple times a week. But we're waiting for a friend to get here and then... sorry, that might be in the way. We're waiting for a friend to get here and then we're gonna go play on the beach. I'm so excited. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Dominic is back there sleeping.
Baby, hungry,
She's in her bathing suit. She's so excited to go play on the beach. So yeah, we're gonna go to the beach. I feel like I repeat myself a million times, everything I say, and I'm so sorry, but I think that it's just an anxiety thing, and I stutter, and I apologize. But like, guys, look how pretty it is here. Like, there's trails to go up there. Like, isn't this beautiful here? This is Lake Harbor Beach Park in Michigan. I don't know if you can see out the back window, but it's so beautiful here, guys. Back from the beach. We were there for quite a long time. We left the beach around 1:30. Baby is nursing. He's probably gonna take a nap soon. Gabriella is over here. What are you watching on TV?
I think I
Yep, she's obsessed with Ryan's World. So, Puppy's in her usual spot over there. And we are going to I am going to try to get this little one down for a nap, and then I think I'm just gonna relax. I don't know. I don't want to today. Little man is being a chunky monkey in his swing right now. He's so tired. I'm hoping that the swing puts him to sleep. And again, he's supervised, so hi. Stormy is right here. Hi, Stormy. Lay down. Down. Roll over. Such a good girl. Come here, good girl. She's probably like, give me a treat. Give me my treat. She had a sandwich for lunch. I cut it into a really cute little circle shape. And she's having goldfish. And she had a banana, or like half a banana. My toddler is currently naked on the living room floor. I'm gonna try to not show her. Anyways, I wanted to prove to you guys that I did in fact clean up all of the laundry there. The stuff in that basket is actually cloth diapers. That's like pre-folds, flour sack towels. I think there's like some covers in there, newborn diapers, all of that. That's what's in that. And then a box of clothes that does not fit Dominic anymore, sorry. But all the clothes are picked up. I'm looking kind of rough. It's been a long day. The beach was I didn't get much footage at the beach just because it was a lot. It was a lot. This is the first time I've taken 2 kids to the beach by myself. It was just, wow, it was a lot. And the wagon was heavy and it wasn't going through the sand well. And I dipped the kids out. They were fine, thank God. But it's just, it was a day. So, yeah, we're just kind of relaxing. He does not want to take a nap, but he's so tired. Huh. So I guess I'm just going to walk around with him for a while and try to get him to go to sleep. But Aubrey's happy, so she doesn't need a nap today, apparently. I'm going to try to get him to go to sleep. I might put on some, like, Spotify and just walk around with him. Honestly, I might find the baby wrap. I don't know where it is, but I might find the baby wrap and put him in that. Yes, honey. You want to watch Ryan's World?
No.
Okay. We have a request for Ryan's World. This is her new thing, is Ryan's World. She's obsessed with Ryan's World right now. So, anyways, that's what I'm going to try to do, I guess. And if he still doesn't go to sleep, then I don't know what to do. So, did you have fun at the beach today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have fun playing with your friend Scarlett?
Yeah.
Can you say Scarlett?
Hiya.
Scarlett. Good job. Are you gonna be sad when we move?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay. We'll make new friends and we'll also visit our old friends, okay?
Okay.
And you'll see them often, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just like when we go back to Pennsylvania and you see your friends in Pennsylvania, right?
Okay.
Okay. You're so sweet. This sweet one too. He's nursing as usual. I think he's teething really bad because he's just not happy today. I gave him some teething gel and now I'm nursing him in hopes that he will go to sleep. And of course we got Ryan's World focus on TV because this little monster is obsessed with Ryan's World, huh? She is. I've got her toys on the ground. Her pajamas, baby's pajamas from us getting ready this morning. So I need to pick that up at some point. But yeah, looks like it might rain outside. Does it look like it's gonna rain?
No.
No? Oh, okay. We are wearing Alva Baby. This is one of the first cloth diapers I actually ever got for Aubriella. Sadly, cloth diapers don't fit her anymore, so we use disposable pull-ups. But she's doing pretty decent with potty training, so this is an Alva Baby. He's getting so big, but I love this one. The sunflower print is beautiful. I think he's finally asleep, so I'm going to try to transfer him. Whoa, earthquake! I'm going to try to transfer him to a swing and just relax. I don't know. I might snuggle him for a little bit. We'll see. So, this is real life. I haven't been able to get anything done since I got home because this little one does not want to take a nap. He feels pretty warm, so I don't think that he's feeling well. I think I'm going to give him some Tylenol here soon. He's chewing on a binky. I wrapped him up in the baby wrap in hopes that maybe he'll go to sleep, but he just wants mama's snuggles, and I don't think I'm gonna get much of anything done right now. I'm gonna try though. Hi. Hi. Hi, Jabba. What are you eating?
A kid?
You eating goldfish?
No.
Good. Keep talking. He has a little scratch on his chest. His sister scratched him. Looks terrible. Aubrey, did you say sorry to your brother for scratching him on his chest? What are you doing? Yeah. Hi. Yeah, tell me more. You're such a cutie. It's bath time for little stinky babies. Aubriella's already in there. All clean. Ay, Junka.
Yeah, they're all in their pajamas. Yep.
You're so silly.
There you go.
What time and where the big
Flip it, dude.
You can do it, Bubba.
You think that the buyer's pretending to be Archie?
Yes.
Right, well, I mean, the sale of your...
Woohoo!
job.
Yay! Good
High
job,
five.
Bubba!